Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. They're here, they're here. I'm so excited. Look at the coffee cup. So I did a video last week, I believe, or the week before, showing that I had some new coffee cups available that are paper doll themed, and I received mine. So this is what it looks like, and it says paper dolls speak to my heart, and then it's got paper dolls all the way around it. I love it. I think it turned out so cute. So there's a link in the description box for where you can find this. I've also got my Art Soothes the Heart mug. And there's another mug I haven't received the sample of yet that says paper dolls are a little piece of happiness. So there are two different paper doll mugs available and the Art Soothes the Heart mug. So check it out. Hope you like it. Go grab yours. A few people who've purchased received them and love it. So thank you guys for the support. And this just makes you so happy when you're creating art at your table and making paper dolls and working in your art journals. And you've got a little piece of my Twisted Art Designs on the mug. So thanks so much, guys. Enjoy. Go make art. Art soothes the heart.